Welcome to DharwadHublliTutor. Today we are going to see how the Microsoft Excel serves as a powerful tool. Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. Excel organizes data in columns and rows and allows you to do mathematical functions which runs on Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. The first version of released in 1985 and it has gone through several changes over the years. However, the main functionality mostly remains constant. Let's understand the uses of Excel. First, a simple analysis. When I say it a simple analysis, it clearly means here I am organizing the data, I am applying the powerful formulas. Next is the data entry. Then the data management, accounting, budgeting, data analysis, visuals and graphs, programming, financial modeling, and much more. Why we need to use Excel? Excel is the most powerful spreadsheet program in the world. It's easy to learn and to get started. The Excel skill ceiling is high, which means that you can do more advanced things as you become better. Excel can be used with both work and in everyday life, such as to create a family budget. Excel has a huge community support. Excel is continuously supported by the Microsoft. Excel templates and frameworks can be reused by yourself and others, lowering creation costs. Excel structure is made up of two pieces. One is ribbon and the other one is a sheet. Now the ribbon is explained. A command is an action that allows you to make something happen. This can, for example, be to insert a table, change the font size, or to change the color of a cell. The ribbon may look crowded and hard to understand at first. Don't be scared. It will become easier to navigate and to use as you learn more. Most of the time, we tend to use the ribbon is made up of the app launcher, tabs, groups, commands. Groups are basically nothing but your font, your numbers, and commands are nothing but your formulas, your conditional formattings, and so on. App launcher. App launcher icon has a 9 dots and is called the Office 365 navigation bar. It allows you to access the different parts of the Office 365 suite such as Word, PowerPoint and Outlook. App launcher can be used to switch seamlessly between the Office 365 applications. The tab is a menu with subdivisions sorted into groups. The tabs allows user to quickly navigate between options of menus which display a different groups of functionality. Groups. The groups are sets of related commands. The groups are separated by the thin vertical line break. The commands are the buttons that are going to use to perform certain actions. A sheet is nothing but it's a combination of rows and columns where I can type the values into the particular cell. And when I say it, I can type the values, that clearly means I can type the numbers as well as the alphabets. Fine. It is a set of rows and columns. It forms the same pattern as we have in the math exercise books. The rectangle boxes formed by the pattern are called cells. Values can be typed to cells. You can start with one sheet by default. When you create a new workbook, you can have many sheets in a workbook. New sheets can be added and removed. Sheets can be named to making it easier to work with the dataset. The workbook has two main components, the ribbon and the sheet. The ribbon is used to navigate and access commands. The sheet is made up of columns and rows which make cells. Each cell has its unique reference. You can add new sheet to your workbook and name them. In the next chapters, you are going to learn more about the sheet, formulas, ranges and functions. Is Excel hard to learn for the beginners? No. Excel is not hard to learn for the beginners. Is there any educational background or age requirement is required to start an Excel learning? Not. Of course not. Okay, you can have it anytime whenever you feel that you need to begin your journey in the Excel. Next, we have, do I need to know the programming to use Excel effectively? Not really, but it's good to have, because if you know only Excel, that means you can have a simple functionalities only you can use. But if you have a bit of programming language, then even you can use the advanced programming languages. Will I be able to get a job with only Excel? Yes, of course. Only with the help of Excel you can get a job such as an analyst and operations. Okay, more content on the Excel.